Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to download Commonwealth banking app in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. Let's begin the video. In order to download Commonwealth banking app in your mobile phone, first go to the Play Store if you are Android user, and if you are iPhone user, go to the App Store. Here you can see the search bar. Type in Commonwealth app. You can easily find this app. Now tap the install button. While downloading or installing the app, make sure to have a stable internet connection. This is a free app for building your financial confidence that is fast, secure, and gives you 24/7 access for managing your money. Your accounts are always available. Keep your transaction organized by allowing you to add tags, notes, and photo of receipts and checks. To know more about this app, you can read the description. You can see ratings and read reviews as well. Once the app gets installed, you can open the app. Click the open button. To operate this app, you need to log in your account. After that, you can easily use this app. So this is how you can quickly download Commonwealth banking app in your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments or feedbacks, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Keep watching. Thank you.